back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Jason fires Sakhile to punish him for the sins of his son. Virginia is frustrated with Thandiswa for delaying the reading of the will. Mamiki's new diet and workout plan almost causes her to faint on Tuesday. Sakhile and Thandiswa receive the good news from Zulethu. Virginia and Caesar's family are shocked to learn that Jason's own the coal depot, and Sakhile take Jason to CCMA on Wednesday. Jason's hunt for Mpendulo lead him to Mozambican border. Philile and Mandla learn that Kayise lost her virginity, while Mamiki must decide if her exercising obsession is worth it on Thursday. Thandiswa and Sakhile are heartbroken when Mpendulo is arrested crossing the border to Mozambique. Philile assures Kayise that everything will be okay on Friday. Mpendulo is taunted by Jason for failing to kill him. Thandiswa is determined to get her sons out of jail, and Kayise accept responsibility for sleeping with Mpendulo. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.